Alright guys, JT here, back with another video. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna start off with the 5th anniversary special gift. See what's in here. Got a signature right here. Premium skill change. Okay. Now I'm gonna do some special training on some players. Pitcher. Who was it? Was it you? Yeah.
That's something you can do. You can go over. Eventually, you're gonna train them all up, right?
Fastball. And it was you, I think. Yeah. His velocity. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to do the skill protection change on my Altuve. We're going to protect his Pioneer.
Charisma. Tap it. No, what are you doing?
You told me to tap it.
Oh, here. Let's move this. I was saying tap the skill. Sorry. Charisma's a good one, so we'll stay with that one for now.
Okay.
All right. So what else? You gonna open some packs?
Yeah. Let's start off with this signature.
Could it be a diamond? Nope.
The pitcher. Rodriguez. Let's go with this diamond pack. No, actually, the golds.
Save one regular diamond pack. Always keep them ready for a team selected diamond.
I only have one diamond.
Go and save it. You could do the live and team selective.
Okay, this ultimate pack. These ultimate packs. Got a diamond.
2. What's up with all the pirates tonight?
Don't know.
Harrison, that guy can smash.
Yeah.
And is that Choi?
Mm-hmm.
He can smash too.
Mm-hmm. These live season ultimates. All golds. Now we're gonna do some of these premium vintages right here.
Come on, diamond. Diamond legend.
No diamond. A gold. Bench.
And Johnny Bench, he was legit. I think he could hold 15 baseballs in his palm of his hand. There's a Padre.
Mm-hmm.
Mike Davis.
I'm gonna save some of these over here.
Do some of your
Premiums?
team selective diamonds and stuff. How many spots do you have?
Oh,
What do you at,
15.
110? Or
140.
All right.
Team selective diamonds? Or
Yeah,
just team
well, you
selective?
could do your prime pack if you want, your team selective.
Let's do this prime pack right here. Diamond, nope. It's a gold. Buster Posey. Another catcher.
Oh.
And first base.
Salt Life would like that card. I don't think he has them as a prime.
Now let's go with
both the team selective ones.
Okay.
Then you could do 10 prime or something like that.
10 prime.
Or premier, I mean, sorry. Premium.
Get that guy every time. I'm going to do a picture because
we've had many of them.
No, that one wasn't a position, so somebody different probably. Yep, nice George Springer.
Oh yeah, oh he's up right now too. So 66 base, 65 grade increase. All right, well let's see what you're gonna get with your sig. Actually, go look at the lineup real quick. Well, I think it's under challenges collection. See which ones are which SIGs are available. What are you trying to go for? You going for batter or pitcher, you think?
Batter. Well, let me look. So there's a Bregman, a Diaz, Correa would be nice. I already have an Altuve Prime, but there's a lot of signatures. Gonzalez, Brantley. I want that one too.
And some of them, they don't have SIG. They might not be on that team. If you click on the signature on the S, it'll tell you what year they have the S. So yeah, it's with the Astros. That'll be a nice card too. The Greinke. You don't even have a Greinke.
This one's with the Astros?
He has an Astro. Yeah, so
yeah, he does.
Who else is there? Bell, he's right field. Bader, you could use the third baseman. All right, so you're gonna go with the batter?
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Be a diamond off the bat.
Nope. Silver. Ooh. I think that's a George Springer. Jose Altuve?
Which year? The 18? 18 is pretty good, I think.
Yeah.
I think 17 is his best year. What is the base? 70? I can't see.
Yeah, base is 70.
All right, so that's the one you want. You got to make that one diamond, dude. I know you have your prime, but...
And it's a black diamond, too, my prime.
Well, that's the dilemma you have to face.
I should have done a picture.
Turn them gold right now.
Where is that thing right here?
Actually, no, before you do that, go try to upgrade him before he turns gold.
Upgrade him?
Yeah. Go ahead and upgrade him. See if there's any Altuves in your backup.
Look at that Altuve.
That's the one we just did. I guess you shouldn't have done that first.
There's no point.
That's pretty much a dupe, dude.
I know I should have just went with a picture.
But the SIGs are so much better than the prime. You see any Altuves yet?
No. That was so dumb. That ain't funny. At least that worked.
Alright, well, I don't know if you want to train him and all that stuff.
Oh,
Here, pause the video for a minute.
Alright, so
We're back.
we're back, and I'm going to upgrade my Altuve to a gold and then a diamond.
Always do the gold first.
Where is he? Right here. $94 gold.
There you go.
But he's 17 out of 20. And
yeah, well, we're going to use stat amp tickets. We might
And
retrain. Depends on what skills.
Alright, here we go.
Just do time next time. Or ability.
There we go.
So, it looks pretty good. Did he get any new skills or anything? You're going to have to use skill change tickets on him. We're not going to use premium yet because he's not black diamond.
Wait, we just got that legend on the Altuve. The legend skill.
I know. You should have did it at the end, I guess. So, do skill change tickets on your Altuve. What's his skills? You got charisma and 5 tool player. Let me look at that real quick. They're not bad, but you want to, I don't know. For this, for his power and stuff like that, I think, or for his speed and contact, I think we would want to get, barrel it up, probably. I don't know. We could train him up. We still need to do a GI too. GI reset. I think you have those. Alright, yeah, you have some. So go ahead and grade increase reset him. So he's a 65 right now. This is grade increase. Come on, baby. 75, first try. 72, that's not bad. So, let me look at this. Oh, we're not doing that right now. Alright, so we're looking at 110 with contact speed. Right now he's up though. I don't know, we could stay with those skills if you want, son. Charisma and 5 tool. I don't think 5 tool is a great skill. It says all stats increase, but it's not the best. We could try for something else, but it's also, they're all 3s right now. Or we could wait till we get them black diamond. And
Yeah.
you could kind of use your we'll work on them.
Let's wait.
Do we want to, are you okay with these skills? Do we want more power? If we want to train them up, we could do stat amp tickets right now, or we could keep working on it. So right now we have plus 12 on the right side, and 8 of it's towards speed, which I think is, I like that way. Ideally we would want the power to be higher because it's going there. Let me see, we have 3 left. I'm trying to do some math here. I don't got my Excel sheet up. So we could try to get 2 on power each time. That'll give us a total of 6, so 15. But if I do 1 contact and 1 on eye, then it'll be 15 as well, and those will be higher numbers, so they won't work. The only way I can make it work better is if we did, because we don't have any 3 powers or +3 on the power. I don't know. Maybe we'll just do a regular train on them, then if I have to, we'll retrain them. We'll work them up later. See if we get any right now. Maybe the game will give you a +3, +3, +3 on power. Not gonna happen, huh? We'll pause this till we get to 19. Alright, so we got it to 19. We'll just kind of let it roll. We will rework this card, this player. We could play with him and see what he looks like in the lineup after we get him to this 20, if it ever comes up. That sucks, dude. You got the he just did the legend skill on the prime. You've worked that Altuve a lot. And then now you get the Sig one. Sig is better ultimately though, but there it is. Alright, so not the best train, but not too bad. 15 on the right side. 9 of it to speed. Should be a good on-base hitter. Charisma, 5 tool. We will rework this. We'll put in the lineup real quick so we can see what he did, what he looks like. Damn. So he's a 117 right now, and that's because this one, the prime, has been, you know, we've special trained him. I think he's 8 out of 8. He's level 8. Yeah, or yes. Oh, a special upgrade is only 2 out of 9. Oh, it's because he's black diamond too. Sorry, guys. So once we turn him black diamond, that changes a lot of things. So he'll jump up in his stats and everything. Also, your set deck's not great. You don't have a mostly, or you do have mostly Astros, but not enough Astros. So you need a third baseman, first baseman. Then you have Shohei as he could be your 25th man if you want a powerful batter. But we'll see. We'll work it. Here, you want to just end this video now? We'll save some of those packs for a different time.
Yeah. Alright guys, bye. And hope you guys enjoyed.